Looking for a stable, easy-to-ride electric scooter that actually fits your lifestyle? Let me show you this compact three-wheeler that's changing how people think about urban mobility. First, the stability. Three wheels mean you never have to worry about balancing. Whether you're a complete beginner, a senior rider, or just want peace of mind, this design keeps you upright and confident from the moment you step on. Now watch this. The handlebars fold down in seconds. No tools, no struggle. This means you can store it in a small apartment, tuck it in an office corner, or fit it in your car trunk for weekend trips. The compact footprint doesn't compromise on functionality. Up front, you get a sturdy basket for your purse, phone, or daily essentials. In the back, there's a cargo rack that handles groceries, a light backpack, or even a small pet carrier. Dual storage means you're actually practical for errands. The ride quality? Smooth and predictable. The throttle response is gentle, not jerky. The brakes engage progressively, so you stop with control. Tight turns in a lobby? No problem. Cruising on a park path? Stable and comfortable, even light gravel or uneven pavement. The three-wheel design handles it confidently. This isn't a toy. It's a legitimate adult electric vehicle designed for real-world use, campus commutes, neighborhood runs, or light mobility needs. Important compliance note. Always check your local regulations regarding E-Trike speed limits, helmet requirements, and where you're legally allowed to ride. Never exceed the manufacturer's weight rating, typically around 200 to 250 pounds. Wear a helmet, ride defensively, and respect pedestrian areas. Ready to see full specs, battery range, and pricing details? Check the description below. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more honest mobility gear reviews every week.